Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, December 31, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, December 31, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng December 31, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, December 31, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for December 31, 2025, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, December 31, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.